Today we're diving into an impressive GitHub repository titled 500 AI Machine Learning Deep Learning Computer Vision NLP Projects with Code by Ashish Patel 26. With over 33.5k stars and 7.1k forks, this repository is a treasure trove for data scientists and AI enthusiasts looking to explore a wide array of AI projects. As we navigate through the main menu, GitHub offers a variety of tools and services. However, our focus is on this extensive collection of AI projects, which promises a practical approach to learning and implementing machine learning, deep learning, and NLP through hands-on projects. The repository's title and description make it clear that this is not just a single project but a vast collection. It's designed for those eager to delve into AI by providing code for numerous projects, making it a highly valuable resource for both beginners and seasoned experts. Browsing through the folders and files, you can see a well-structured layout, suggesting a thoughtful organization of resources. Each project likely contains its own subdirectory, making navigation intuitive for users seeking specific AI or machine learning projects. The Files Navigation section offers a glimpse into the project's diversity. This is crucial for users who wish to quickly jump into a particular project or topic area. The organization indicates a comprehensive catalog of AI applications. Under the About section, the project is pitched as a 500 AI project list with code, hinting at continuous updates and an invitation for community contributions. This suggests that the repository is not static but rather a living document, evolving with new insights and projects. The list of topics highlights the repository's focus areas, including Python, NLP, data science, and computer vision. These tags help users understand at a glance whether this repository covers the areas they are interested in exploring or utilizing in their own work. The Resources section mentions various GitHub features and tools, but for this repository, the most valuable resource is the wealth of projects it contains. This positions the Repo as a practical learning tool for developers looking to implement AI in real-world scenarios. The section is not explicitly visible here, but typically, this might indicate issues or challenges users might face. However, the proactive call for community engagement and the fact that links are tested and working suggests a reliable user experience. The repository's stars, forks, and watcher numbers speak volumes about its community traction. With such high engagement, it's clear that the community finds this collection useful and relevant, reflecting its wide acceptance and utility in the AI field. In conclusion, this repository by Ashish Patel 26 offers an invaluable collection of AI projects. If you're interested in exploring AI through hands-on projects, check out the link in the description.